を選択してください。Hello, please look to your waiting ticket here. Hello, how many people are there in your car? Which did you prefer? Please go to the table with the number on your ticket. 23番席ご来店です。
So I've actually come early and a lot of the menu is reduced. The reason I come early is because this place is packed usually if you come at lunchtime or dinner time. I'm not going to be able to get a table for myself to be able to film this, so that's why I filmed it. My sushi's here, can you hear it? So that's why I've come at this time, but I wanted to show you some other dishes like fries. I know it's not Japanese, but it bangs, but I don't think they have it right now. They have a breakfast menu, so it is what it is, but it's still got lots of sushi, so it's going to be a bit healthier than I thought, which is good, I guess.
まもなく到着します。お取り忘れにご注意ください。
Japanese eggs are the best. So sweet. Struggling to pick these up. Eggs so long, it's hard to eat. This one, you probably can't tell what it is. It's corn, sweet corn. Japan loves corn, they got a corn obsession. And I don't hate it, to be fair. I'm alright with it. Corn and mayo. careful, you can choke on this one. Also got miso soup. That's not the best. Probably very healthy though to start the day. So one thing that is quite annoying about this place, not that annoying to be fair, but you have to stack up your plates when you finish. And that means that everyone can see how much you've eaten. So if you've been a fat shit, there's no hiding it, mate. You're a fat shit. Accept it. Oh, yeah, I nearly dropped everything. Whoa! I did drop everything. Over me. I'm slowly getting to my limit now. I haven't eaten that much, but I guess it's the morning. That's why.
まもなく到着します。お取り忘れにご注意ください。まもなく到着します。
Squidgy. But delicious. I also could have shown you guys the fries. The fries are elite. Top 5 fries in my life. Got them chip chop chippies. Cold Palmer. Step aside. But I eat this so wrong. Look at this. This is not how you eat. This is elite as well. This is tofu bean curd, fried tofu bean curd. It's got this sweetness to it. Japanese food is just umami. Most things are umami. Underrated. Breakfast menu is small, man. But it makes sense. Not a lot of people are going to order fries in the morning. And all the other stuff that they have. So it is what it is. Learned my lesson, but it's still good. Let's order dessert and be done with it. Someone that doesn't like it, he's drinking it awfully nice. It's not that bad to be fair, it's good, but just this, yeah. It tastes healthy. So you can see the menu here. I'm gonna go for dessert, but look, you can you can get noodles as well. You've got soy-based ramen and you've got udon, but if you have it in normal eating hours, then you can get soba, you can get loads of different kinds, and then in the side dishes you can get karaage, fried chicken, a lot of more fried food, tempura and stuff, but you don't have that in the morning, which is probably a good idea. What I normally get for dessert is actually here, I'm not going to get it, it's a chocolate cake, and it's just fudgy and moist and it's delicious. But today, well, I don't know why they have so many desserts. Today I'm gonna get pineapple. In Japan, fruits are really expensive, so 120 yen for pineapple is actually really cheap compared to combini, so I'm gonna go for that. I don't eat enough fruit because it's a little bit pricey. Chocolate's cheaper. Well, I could eat more, but I'm a comfortable stage of being full. I'm not gonna overdo it because it's like I've got the whole day ahead of me. But I've got all of this, and it's come up to 1,500 yen. Pineapple's here, and this is the pineapple. And it's cut for you, that's nice. Just saw some of this. So this thing that you keep at the start, it's important to keep with you because I'm going to scan that at the till and then pay for my food. Then I'm going to pay for it. Point card ありません。
割引はなかったですか？
はい、ありがとうございます。
はい、1496円です。
はい、IC カードだけ。はい。
ご利用のサービスをお選びください。音が鳴るまでタッチしてください。
ありがとうございます。レシート操作お待ちください。
ありがとうございます。
はい、どうもありがとうございました。お願いします。
ありがとうございます。I've got some gacha here too. So that is it. That is the Japanese conveyor belt sushi experience. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more content like this, please subscribe. And as always, stay blessed.